Ọmọ mi máa kí ó ti tẹ́ ẹ̀ mo máa nà tó bá ti lọ sí ṣó tó yẹ kó lọ kò ní lè lọ ó máa nà ni àti Samilari mi mẹ́ tó ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ mi mẹ́yàn kankan mi mọ alágbára kankan ṣùgbọ́n mo ti rí báyìí ẹ ti promise mi ẹ bá mi wá náírà jáde o náírà jáde jọ ó fọmọ mi ṣẹrú ni títí ìbọn mi wá jáde gbà tí ọmọ mi wà lọ́dọ̀ náírà.
The truth is finally coming out gradually because Mohbad's mother has explained what her son told her while he was alive. My people, I'll be sharing the full video for you to watch. I will leave you to watch the video, but before that, this death of Mohbad is something that is saddening to the whole Nigeria, most especially the youth, because especially his mother. Guys, this is a young boy promising, fulfilling his career, fulfilling his dream. I don't think it's very wrong or think it's wrong to chase your dream in this country. We all aspire to be great, but this thing is so much. Like, assuming this is true, or if this is true, then Nairamarley hasn't done well. I just hope the police or the authority finds the culprit and able to bring them to book, because this is saddening. This is what we shouldn't be experiencing in this country. The youth are trying to make things work, but so many vices, so many bad eggs in the society are not allowing them. Guys, I'll be leaving you to watch the video. Please follow me on this page as I'll be dropping more video for you to watch, because this is something that is really terrible and something that shouldn't be allowed in our society. On this page I post entertainment news, celebrity gist, fashion, and everything needs to get entertained. So follow and like my page. Let us watch the video now, because Mohbad's mother revealed a lot which you need to know, and Mohbad's body has been exhumed from the grave or from the burial ground which he was buried, and he's been taken for autopsy. We just hope that the people that did this to Mohbad are brought to book, because this thing needs to stop. A lot of bullying in the industry, a lot of things going on secretly in the industry which are not known to their fans, because these artists are not, they seems not to be what we are seeing outside. A lot of things is happening in the industry, and the mother made mention that people should help her find Naira is the one that allegedly did something to her son, and I just pray that the truth finally comes out. We should really hope the police get the justice for Mohbad's family. Guys, this thing should stop and should end in the entertainment industry. Anywhere it's happening, the youth should be free to chase their dream and pursue their goal. Guys, let us watch the video now. Drop your comments below. Don't forget to share this video so the video will go far. Let people see what is happening in Nigeria. Let people see what is happening in the entertainment industry. Let the secrets of the people that are doing this thing be known to the world. Share this video and drop your comments below. Don't forget to like this video so people can see it. Let us watch the video now, guys.
When you trust me, when I trust you, you should be when you motivate me, bottle water, when you want new me, when you do much a threat and joy and what to very me, when you want to be me from bottle water, when you told you more, only mama girl did die, mama not what you lost it show to your cool lock, only law, oh mama noni, àti Samilari mi mẹ́ tó ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ mi mẹ́yàn kankan mi mọ alágbára kankan ṣùgbọ́n mo ti rí báyìí ẹ ti promise mi ẹ bá mi wá náírà jáde o náírà jáde jọ ó fọmọ mi ṣẹrú ni títí ìbọn mi wá jáde gbà tí ọmọ mi wà lọ́dọ̀ náírà ó fún mi ní owó kankan o àtìgbà tó kọ ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi wá jáde. Ọmọ mi ló máa sọ pé kí má jẹ́ kó pa mí, èmi náà máa sọ pé mo mọ̀yàn pé tí mo bá lọ bá èèyàn kan ọmọ á ní kí má jẹ́ kó pa mí, pé kí n jọ kí má jẹ́ kó pa mí, ọ̀rọ̀ pé kó má pa mí ló sọ títí tó fi kú. Ṣàánú mi.
They killed Mohbad. They killed him. It is not smelling. This is fresh blood. See fresh blood. Look at Mohbad in me. They killed him. They killed him. They killed him. They killed him. She was see fresh blood. See fresh blood. See fresh blood. See fresh blood. If you can't touch him, I'll be buying now.
I'm over me, I will pass me, he pass me. He's inside this box. This Sienna, you know below why he pass me. Eshari, you know below wow. You know below wow. You know below wow. You know below wow. Thanks for the host, thanks for the host. Thanks for the host. Thanks for the host, thanks for the host. I show. I really appreciate that part too. Kò sọ́nà bẹ́ẹ̀, ṣebí kẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ gbà. Jẹ́ ó dàgbà. Kate, you can do that with me now. They don't bring her the call. They don't bring her the call. She's already coming. Mona text. They're already bringing it out. See me. It's already going. It's already going. So thanks for the likes, thanks for the host. Share the live, 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 share the live. Share the live, share the live. Hey, calm down now, I'm gonna calm down now. Wọ́n sọ ọmọ ìlú yẹn ni ọlọ́run. Ọjọ́ yìí ó ìfọ̀ ẹ̀sùn síbẹ̀. Keep tapping, ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mẹ́tìrì. Ọwọ́ ìsìn mọ́lẹ̀. Wàhálà eléyìí wọ́n wé. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló ṣọ́ yín náà. 8 days ni 8 days àbí 9 days. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ lẹ́yìn 9 days. Yóò jọ ọ̀pọ̀ àwọ̀ ìní ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló ti fresh lórí ṣọ́ yẹn. Any 9 days. Any 9 days. Wọ́n sílò yẹn ni kò sí ni. Kò tí màá mẹ́ òsì kò tí màá ṣe. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló ṣe ṣọ́ yẹn náà. Èyí ló pé 9 days.